What's up guys, welcome to Spyder Auto. Right now I'll show you how to switch out these old OEM taillights with new Spyder taillights, and it'll fit from 2007 to 2013. So let's get started and pop the tailgate open. Okay, now with your Phillips screwdriver, you can remove these two screws. And you can grab it by the bottom firmly and just pop it off. And you have these three sockets. Go ahead and unplug all of them. So we're going to unplug the bolt for the brake light and signal light. We're going to keep the reverse light, and we are going to unplug the bottom parking light. Alright guys, so now we can get ready to install the Spyder tail light. This one has a smoke lens with the LED bar. So in the back of it, it comes with some accessories here. So these are extra plastic inserts that you can use or replace if in case when you pop off your OEM tail light, these plastic inserts get damaged, or you want to remove it because they're not as snug when you pop it in place. And it also comes with this circle thing here attached to the light. You can just remove that. And what the circle thing is used for is to protect the third socket that you are not going to be using, which is the parking light. So you just get the circle insert. You just attach it and turn it clockwise to seal it. Now we can connect the reverse light into the housing. Turn it clockwise to seal it. And then we can connect our parking light, brake light, signal light. And make sure the black wire is with the black wire. And then just insert it into the socket. Tuck your wire in, and then turn it clockwise to lock it into place in the housing so it's protected from the weather. So since our two plastic inserts are still intact, I'm going to pop ours off. And to do so, you could either pop it off with your fingers like that, or you can get a panel popper and just carefully pop it off. Okay, so now you just have to make sure these prongs are lined up with the plastic insert. And you should be able to like pop them in. Make sure your tail light is lined up. Now you can install the two Phillips screws. Okay, now that we're finished with this side, let's do the same process to the other side. So now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the tailgate. And let's test the functions so we can safely get back on the road.